Okay guys, so this is my newest video. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, so today I just filled up the bottle with baking soda and vinegar, and I went all over this sink. So now I'm gonna just open it. Okay, if you guys get scared of things easily, just put that washer. Okay. So, I'm sorry it's like so sucky camera, but so I am literally just gonna pop this open. Just listen to this, baby. 3, 2. Ow! I'm okay. Oh, dude, it landed on my hand. Dang. Dude, did you hear that? It's not that bad in there. But if you think, oh man, anything on my hand? That hurt a lot, but wow. Okay, that was like literally the loudest sound I've ever heard. But I think I close it up a little, maybe. Just close it up a little. Just shake it up a little. Want to make that sound? No, just yeah. If you close the water, it's actually. So for more science experiment things. It's not really. I didn't really show like science experiment, but like just like a little perfect science experiment thing. Then leave comments down below. I mean, like, it's not that simple. I'm just like, it's not that hard to. Just leave a comment below and see you guys next time.